everyone, it's Carolyn and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a mini makeover in my guest room today. For those of you that don't know, I moved into this house in December and the guest room has just been a little bit neglected. So today I'm going to be adding some really special touches to the guest room to make anyone who stays in it feel really warm and welcomed. For those of you that are new, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel and join my YouTube family. If you do, please make sure you introduce yourself in the comments so that I can get to know you.
The first thing I'm doing is going through and making sure that the room is thoroughly cleaned. And this might seem really obvious, but none of the other steps that I'm going to do are even going to matter if there are dust bunnies and cobwebs in the corners. So I'm going through and wiping everything down, vacuuming the rug, and making sure that I have fresh sheets on the bed. Next, I put together this cute little sign with our Wi-Fi information. And no, this is not actually our password. I'm not going to be sharing that with everyone on the internet, but I got this frame at Target and then I just printed out our name and password, and I thought it was a nice way to share that information with our guests so that they don't have to ask us for it, because Lord knows I never know where we keep it. Another nice touch to include are blackout curtains or blackout shades. You never know what time your guests wake up in the morning, so having those will help them sleep in comfortably as long as my kids don't wake them up in the morning. Another really nice touch that your guests will appreciate is to make them a little basket with some items that they may have forgotten. I included things like ibuprofen and Tylenol, disposable toothbrushes, a hairbrush, some floss, deodorant, hand cream, makeup remover wipes, as well as some pillow mist that will help them relax. I got most of these items at the travel section in my grocery store, but I got the pillow mist, an extra phone charger, and a really nice salt scrub at HomeGoods. I also set out my luggage racks, and it's really nice for your guests to have a place to put their suitcase besides on the floor. You obviously don't have to buy these. A low dresser or an end table that you've cleared off will work just fine. Another thoughtful touch would be to leave some empty hangers in the closet for them to hang anything up. You don't need to clear out the whole closet, but just leave them a little bit of room in case they want to hang up a nice shirt or dress. Alright, now let's talk about pillows. If you can't remember the last time you replaced the pillows in your guest room, it's probably time to buy some new ones. However, if you have replaced them recently, just make sure that you stick them in the wash and freshen them up. You can check out my 5 things I never used to clean video if you want to learn how to wash your pillows and also to check if it's time to get rid of them. That will, of course, be linked in the description box. And it's also really thoughtful to make sure you leave out some tissues as well as a good supply of toilet paper. Your guests definitely don't want to be asking you for these items when they really need them. Something else your guests will really appreciate are leaving out some clean towels. This way they can take a shower whenever you want and they don't have to find you to ask where they are. I left them here along with an extra blanket since the weather here in New York can be so unpredictable. When I can, I really enjoy setting out fresh flowers in the guest room. It adds such a beautiful pop of color, and I know the guests really appreciate the gesture. When I don't get the chance, I do like to put some artificial ones in there just to brighten up the room. My last suggestion to make your guests feel really welcome in your home is to program your coffee maker the night before. You never know what time someone's going to wake up, and almost everyone enjoys having a nice hot cup of coffee in the morning. They might not know how to work your particular coffee maker or might not feel comfortable doing it themselves. So when you have it programmed, all you have to do is set out some mugs and they're all set to help themselves. If you have a Keurig, then you can just set out some K-cups and mugs, and I'm sure they can figure that one out.
Guys found these tips helpful. know if there are any of them that you already incorporate into your guest room, or if there's any new ones that you think that I should incorporate into mine. Before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you're subscribed if you haven't done so already. I will see you on Thursday with a new video. Bye!